The minister seems a little bit angry, frustrated like some backbenchers. And while the government is increasing taxes on parking at the hospital, safety deposit boxes, small businesses, credit unions and groceries, they are not doing anything to sanction people who aren't paying their taxes, who are committing fraud. Figures on tax evasion don't hold water. How can they claim that to be doing something about it when they're slashing funding for the Canada Revenue Agency? The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We are keeping tax rates low by closing tax loopholes and making the system fair for Canadians, Mr. Speaker. We will launch the Stop International Tax Evasion program to improve identification of tax evasion to protect those honest Canadians. Since 2006, our government has introduced more than 75 measures to improve the integrity of our tax system. And, Mr. Speaker, if the opposition is serious about cracking down on tax evasion, then they will support our budget.
The honourable member for Victoria.
Mr. Speaker, they're making up numbers on tax cheats, making up answers about tax increases, and even their own backbenchers don't trust the Prime Minister anymore. The reality is Conservatives are raising taxes on almost everything while cutting the people who go after tax cheats. How can they expect any credibility with their claims of cracking down on enforcement when $100 million is being cut from the CRA and 3,000 staff are being eliminated?
The Honourable Minister of National Revenue.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I can tell the honourable member that our government is committed to ensuring value for Canadian taxpayers' money, and not one audit position will be eliminated, Mr. Speaker. As a matter of fact, we will add to those positions. And that's why since 2007-2008, we've reduced spending on overhead activities such as travel and office supplies, hospitality and consultants. And Mr. Speaker, budget 2013 savings apply only to our internal operations such as administrative costs. And that's why we do expect the opposition to support our budget, because it's good value for taxpayers.
The Honourable